Episode 6. Today we're going to learn pronouns. Just like any other languages, Kansai-ben has pronouns. But there are so many words that can be used in place of first person pronouns and second person pronouns. Let's get started. I know it's not kind of PC, but in Japanese, oftentimes guys have specific way of talking or words they use, and girls have their own way of speaking. First person pronouns, for males they usually use watashi, boku, ore, washi, wai. For females they usually use watashi, uchi, atashi, washi. If you're in your office or any professional setting, you should use watashi instead of any of those pronouns. But, being polite all the time is not fun. So if you want to be close to your boss or your coworker, you can use boku. Boku is not too impolite, but not too polite. So yeah, use boku if you want to be somewhat friendly with your coworkers or boss. Unfortunately, there's no word like boku for females, so I think you should just stick with watashi. Ore is usually used by younger people who want to sound strong and badass. Washi is primarily used by old people. Why? I've only heard this used by my ghettoist friends. Watashi for females can be casual and formal. And I believe uchi used to be Kansai-ben, but I think people from other regions stole it. Yeah, I don't like it. Thieves. Atashi is just watashi without W sound. So as you can guess, it is more casual than watashi. Let's talk about second person pronouns. Again, Japanese being sexist. Males use omae, oman, jibun. Females use anta, jibun. Omae sounds like you're trying to sound strong. People who call themselves ore probably use omae to talk to you, and douchebags. Anta is just you. Yeah, it's not bad or good. Jibun, this is weird. It originally meant like oneself, but somehow Japanese people, or at least Kansai people, started to use to refer someone you're talking to. Right? Confusing. I know. It's confusing, but lucky you. We often call someone by name, not some generic nouns. We have hearts. Next, we're gonna talk about third person pronouns. Japanese have words like kare and kanojo, which mean he and she respectively, but I don't know, we just don't use this a lot. So we use anohito, aitsu, anoko, and these words are gender neutral. Good. But anoko tend to be used for girls and someone who are younger than you. If you're saying anoko, you want to make those pronouns plural, right? At some point, maybe you can just add ra, like bokura, orera, washira, waira, anohitora, aitsura. And finally, I'll teach you demonstrative pronouns like this, that, it, I think in English. We have kore, are, and hore. This is a bit confusing. If you and your friend are talking and you guys are in the same place or close, to each other. If you say kore is something around both of you, and are is something that's far from both of you, and sore is in between. If you guys are kind of far apart, and if you say kore, which means something that's around you, and if you say hore, means something that's around your friend, and if you say are, which means it's far from both of you. So in summary, we learned first person pronouns like ore, atashi, uchi, and second person pronouns like anta, omae, and the third person pronouns like aitsu, ano hito. And to make those words plural, you just add da after them, okay? And also talked about demonstrative pronouns. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask your teacher or tutors in real life. No, I'm just kidding. You can ask me. I hope I didn't waste your time. And if you can be nice enough to subscribe, it will help me make some money. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching this episode. See you in the next episode. Bye.